Are you tired of your PowerPoint presentations looking dull and boring? Or worse, do you think your audience is getting tired and bored? Do you want to add some excitement and dynamism to your slides? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Prezi effect in PowerPoint. Prezi is known for its dynamic and engaging zooming and panning effects. But did you know you can achieve similar effects in PowerPoint? By using features like morph transition, you can easily create visually stunning presentations that will captivate your audience and keep them engaged from start to finish. Please visit my Moodle site where I've written up all the details and left the slides I'm showing here for you to see. Just follow the link in the description below, create an account and join the free mini course and share in the fun by building PowerPoint presentations that work like Prezi. And if you complete the course, you earn this badge. Signing up and enrolling in the mini course is simple and secure. You will be asked to provide just a few lines of standard info, including a password, so that you can return to this material and other useful stuff again and again. Because it is a Moodle site, you can rest assured that your data is treated with care following global best practices. If you ever wanted your data returned to you or removed, just let me know. It's that easy. Your privacy is very important. Imagine seamlessly zooming in and out of your slides, creating a more interactive and immersive experience for your viewers. With a few simple tweaks and tricks, you can take your presentations to the next level and leave a lasting impression on your audience. There are just 3 things to get right for the Prezi effect to happen in PowerPoint. First, morphing. You have to set all your slide transitions to morph. For the morph transition to work properly, you must also name the objects that you want to morph with the same name that starts with a double exclamation mark. That tells PowerPoint that the transition from one view of the object on one slide to the next view of the same object on the next slide must happen over many little steps. Just like in a movie, it's these many steps that create the illusion of movement. When we create PowerPoint presentations, we usually progress our presentations from slide 1 sequentially all the way down to the last slide in a linear way. Sometimes people call their presentations decks, like a deck of cards, I suppose. One flicks from one to the next. Prezi does not work like that. Depending on where you click, a new view of the presentation is zoomed in or panned to. In PowerPoint, we achieve this effect with links to an object on one slide to another with a morph transition. And if the transition is set to morph, that beautiful Prezi effect is achieved. Second, linking. To insert a link in an object, right-click on the object you want to link from and select Insert Link. Arrange things so that the link goes to another slide in your current document. The other slide that you want to go to will have exactly the same image as the one you are clicking from, only it will be larger and in a different position to give the illusion of movement. If you name your slides properly, it may make matters easier, because who knows what is on slide 15? To name your slides properly, never delete the title block of your slides. Always use it to give a title to a particular slide. If you don't want to display the title, just move the title block out of sight. PowerPoint has the habit of advancing to the next slide if you click on a slide. To prevent this, set the advanced slide on mouse click off. Also set the after a time tick box off. To get the proper Prezi effect, insert a shape behind your graphics and other content. You can position the level where your shape appears in relation to the other objects on your slide by using the selection pane. Alt plus F10. Now, insert a link from this shape that is behind everything else, so that when the user clicks on it, it goes back to the first slide. You will have other links on your slides that present different topics of your content, but by giving them a default place to click, nobody will get lost. Point number 3, resize your target objects. The target objects, the images that seem to zoom and pan in a Prezi-like presentation, can be anything. Simple shape objects created in PowerPoint with insert shapes work well. Group the shapes so that they can be uniformly enlarged with Ctrl+Shift. It may be a good idea to save more complicated images as scalable vector graphics. When enlarging images, make your work area as small as possible. You should find a balance between the size of your work area and the size of your object that you want to work with. To make your life easier, create one slide and name everything on it as sensibly as you can. When you have everything neatly in place, make copies of the slide and resize the objects and the texts. Pro tip for using PowerPoint for the web. The Prezi effect with PowerPoint for the web is possible, but doesn't work as expected. Morphing works for PowerPoint on the web, but one must be careful to guide the viewers so that they are only able to go to the next or the preceding slide in the deck. Putting links in your presentation can take your viewers to random slides, but the transitions to those random slides won't morph perfectly. They will be simple jumps, so advise your viewers to use the forward or backward buttons or provide them with links in the presentation that can only go to the next or the previous slide, or perhaps some menu slide. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on enhancing your presentations and your interactive teaching skills.